Okay, so we are continuing the question number 9 where we left in the previous lecture. Okay, let's start. Please read out the question, beta.
The ratio between a base angle and the vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 1:4. Find each angle of the triangle.
Okay, they have given that the ratio of the vertical triangle and the base angle, right? The
Yes,
base
sir.
angle and the vertical angle is
Yes, sir.
1:4 respectively. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now tell me what they have told us. The ratio is 1:4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me first thing, do we know the angles?
No, sir.
Okay, so what we will do, we will consider it as a,
X.
yeah, we will consider it as a x. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
Okay, now given the ratio of isosceles triangle is 1:4, where base angle is x and vertical angle is, okay, this is the filling the blanks for you.
Yes,
Listen
sir.
now carefully. What they have told us, the base angle is 1. Okay, the base angle will be
1.
1 and the vertical angle is
4.
4. So the vertical angle will become
4.
4x. It will become
4x.
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 Any doubt till here?
Plus 1. Yes, no, sir.
Pakka?
Pakka, sir.
Huh. So we know that the sum of this, okay, the sum of this is the sum of all angles of a triangle is,
180 degree.
so x plus x, which are the base angles, right?
Yes,
These
sir.
base angles. Okay, now tell me one thing, why we don't read, why we didn't write this one over here?
Because x is considered as 1.
No. X is considered as an angle, but when you multiply something with 1, it remain it as it is. If you multiply a into 1, it will be a. If you multiply Joshua into 1, it will be Joshua only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
whenever you multiply something with 1, it will come that it as it is. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's why we didn't write 1 over here. Now x plus 4x,
4.
which is equal to how much? 180 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me find out the value of x and tell me the value of x.
Yes, sir.
Come on, write it down and tell me the value of x as well.
Yes, sir.
So if you add this, it will become 6x. It is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 degree divided by 60 degrees. 0, 0 will get cancelled. So x will
Yes, sir.
be
Sir, 6
30.
degree.
Sorry, sorry. It is 6, na beta?
Yes.
Yeah, it means that you are active today. So it will become 60 degree.
Sir, 30 degree, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the base angle.
base angle
Hmm.
1 degree,
Huh?
30 degree,
Huh? The second base angle
30 degree, sir.
30 degree. And the vertical angle?
Vertical angle 1
Huh.
minute, sir.
Which is equal to 4x. Now tell me the answer.
Yes.
What is 4x?
Yes, sir. Sir, 120
120. So vertical angle is 120 degree.
degree. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will move further. Shall we
Yes,
move
sir.
further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read out. Let me read out the question. Question number 10. In the given figure, BI is the bisector of angle ABC. Okay. If this is a bisector, when an angle has a bisector, that means these two angles are equal to,
Each other.
yeah. When you draw, angle bisector.
No, sir.
No, okay. I will explain you first that. See, angle bisector. If this is an angle, okay, and
Yes.
when there is one line drawn from this angle, we called this line, okay, if this is A, B, and C, this is the angle, and this is D over here. So this line segment BD, we called it as a angle bisector. What we called it as a
Bisector.
angle bisector. Okay, it is an angle
Yes.
bisector. When a angle bisector is drawn through an angle, at that time angle bisector divides a angle in two equal angles. Okay, वो
Yes, sir.
एंगल बाइसेक्टर क्या करता है, एक एंगल को दो इक्वल हिस्सों में बांट देता है. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if a angle is of 60 degree and there is an angle bisector, so this angle will become
Same 60 degree.
it divides into two equal parts. It divides into two equal parts, beta.
Yes, sir.
So if this 60 degree is divided in two equal parts, so what we will do, we will divide it by 2. 60 divided by 2, how much?
60 divided by 2. 3.
30.
30. 30.
So it will be 30 degree and here also 30 degree.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Pakkala?
Pakka, sir.
If this is at angle and this is 30 degree angle and one angle bisector is drawn from here. So now tell me this angle will be,
Yes, sir.
what will
30
be this
divided-
angle?
Yes, sir. 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2. Sir, 15.
15.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is some simple as angle bisector which is given over here. Okay.
Every time we should divide it by 2.
Yeah. Every time. Angle bisector means angle is been divided in two equal parts. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Why it is divided by 2? Because angle bisector divides a angle in two equal parts. That's why what we do, we divide the angle with 2. Okay.
Yeah.
If the statement says that the angle bisector divides the angle in 3 equal parts, then we will divide it by 3. But there is nothing, there is no concept like this. There is only by 2.
2. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will see the question. In the given figure, BI is the bisector of ABC. So if this is a bisector, then this angle will be equal to this angle.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir. Even the C is the same.
CI will also be the same.
Same. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now is the bisector of triangle ABC. Okay. The what we have to find it is angle BIC. Means we have to find this angle. BIC means this angle.
Yes, sir.
Come on. I will just explain you this question and I want you to solve it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see the triangle properly?
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Okay. The very first thing, I will first erase everything. It is not working. Give me 1 minute, beta.
Yes.
Come on. First, tell me the name of triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
It is isosceles triangle. And tell me now the name of a triangle. It is triangle
A, B.
B, and C. Okay.
Yes.
We know that if this is 40 degree, okay, if this is 40 degree, then can we find out this whole angle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can find it out. They are the base angles, right?
Yes, sir.
If they are the base angle, we will consider them as a X
X. Yes,
or
sir.
whatever you want to consider it as a X or whichever angle you want to consider, you can consider it according to that. Now
Yes, sir.
find out and tell me what are the base angle. You have 5 minutes of time. I have explained you many times these types of question. Now I want
Yes, sir.
you to solve it within the 5 minutes of time. Tell me what will be the base angle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree.
Money. Yes,
Now
sir.
angle A is
Angle A is 40 degree.
40 degree plus angle B X, angle C
X.
X, right?
X.
Which
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 180
180 degree.
degree. Then again
2x.
40
Yes, sir.
plus 2x is equal to 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
This 40 will go here and it will become minus 40, right?
Minus. Yes, sir.
So 2x is equal to 180 minus 40. 2x is equal to how much? 140.
140. Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 140 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14.
Yes, sir.
70.
70.
So x is equal to 70 degree.
Yes,
How
sir.
it came? 80. Huh?
Yes.
So now tell me, if this complete angle is 70 degree, this is also 70 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
But we know that this is angle bisector. Now tell me the
Yes.
angle bisector, this inner angle, okay? We have to find
Yes,
this
sir.
one, na? We have to find
Yes,
this
sir.
angle. So for that, we require the inner angle. So tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
inner angle.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Just now only I explained you that
70
this,
divided by.
yeah, 70 divided by 2. Tell me the answer.
Yes, sir. So 35.
35 degree.
Yes, sir.
This become 35 degree and this will also become 35 degree.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay. So till here there was no doubt, right?
No, sir.
You can see my screen now, beta.
Yes, sir, I can see.
So what we have to do now? Again, we have to add. Okay. Till here you can write it down. Come on, take your time. Or else you can just go through later on. Anyhow,
Yes, sir.
I am going to put it on the video on YouTube. Okay. Now the
Yes, sir.
triangle. Triangle. Which is the name of the triangle? Inner triangle.
Bisector. No.
Name.
I
Triangle
A
B.
I
Which one?
angle I, angle B, and angle C.
Name of a triangle, beta. Name of a triangle.
It is isosceles triangle.
No. I'm not. I'm talking name. Name means BIC. I'm not asking you what is the type of a triangle. I am asking you the name of a triangle. Whenever I ask the name, you should tell me the name. BIC is the name of a triangle.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry. BIC, right?
Yes, sir.
We know that these two angles are
Equal.
35 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the sum of the angles. If I consider angle IBC is equal to 35. Oh, sorry. Add them.
35.
35 plus 35 plus consider this as a
Yeah.
x.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the value of x. Find it out and tell me the value of x. Let us see whether you are going right or wrong.
So we should add 35 and 35.
35 we should add 35 plus 35 and take it to the another side and you will get the value of x.
Yes, sir. So x is equal to 70 degree. So sorry, 110 degree.
How much?
110.
10 degree. Perfect, beta. Now you have to do this as a homework.
Yes, sir. Which one?
10th
11th
one.
one. 10th one. Yes, sir.
10th one homework. 9th
Yes,
one,
sir.
have you written the solution?
Yes, sir. I have written the solution. 9th one.
Okay. Come in question number 11. It is quite tricky question. Let's do that. Okay. In the given figure, express A in terms of B. Arey baap re. Can you tell me what they have asked us?
In the given figure, express A in term of B. We should express A in term of B. We should express A and B as the same.
We will keep this question at the last, okay? Because this is very tricky question, okay?
Yes.
For this, I have to teach you many things. I will teach you at later on, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come in question number 12. Come on, read it out.
In figure, BP bisects bisect angle ABC and AB is equal to AC. Find X.
Oh.
B. Find X in figure 2. Given BA is equal to DB is equal to DC, comma DC.
See, we
And
will do one by one.
yes, sir.
Okay. In given figure 1, BP bisects ABC. Means this is angle ABC and this is the bisector. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Where AB is equal to AC. These two
Yes.
are equal to each other, then it will become an isosceles triangle, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Find the value of X. We have to find the value of X. It is very much simple. Okay. It is too simple. Just don't get confused. See,
Yes, sir.
we know that this is a Z-shape angle.
Yes, sir. Z shape
So
angle.
if this is equal to this, right?
Yes, sir.
This will be equal to this one. Why? Alternate angles, right?
Yes, sir. Alternate angle.
Alternate angles. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
So in previous question, in question number 10 only we find it out this angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Same way we have to find this angle and we have to show this is equal to this. That's it.
Okay, sir.
How to do it? You want me to show you?
So we should find out the angle B and divided it by 2.
Perfect. That's the point. Divide it by 2, then you will get PBC. PBC you will get, right?
Yes, sir.
Angle PBC you will get.
Yes, sir.
Once you get the angle PBC, see. When you will get angle C, okay. Angle B you will get whatever it might be.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will get this. Now
Yes, sir.
again, if you will divide it by 2, you will get this angle.
Yes, sir.
This angle is equal to this angle because it is a Z-shape angle.
Z shape angle. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Pakka wala.
Pakka, sir.
100%.
Yes.
Okay. Come to now question number 2.
Yes, sir. 2. Find X in figure 2. Given DA is equal to DB is equal to DC. BD bisects angle ABC and angle ADB is equal to 70 degree.
Given that DA, where is DA? Okay, DA is equal to DC.
Sir, DB.
Oh, sorry, DB, which is equal to DC and which is equal to BD.
Yes.
Okay. And what they have asked us to do?
To find out angle A bisects angle ABC and ADB is equal to 70 degree.
Okay, now tell me how we can do with this.
B is bisecting.
See, again a simple question. See, this they have given us.
Yes, sir.
You can find these two angles.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me directly, if this is 70 degree, then both angle will be
70 degree. Yes, sir.
Hey, do it in your mind, man. Every time why you have to do calculations? Just do
Yes,
180
sir.
minus 70.
80 minus 70. 110.
110 degree. So the addition
Yes,
of these two is 110. So if you want to divide it in two equal parts, if you want to divide it with two equal parts, you will divide by
2.
So tell me 110 divided by 2.
110 divided by 2. 5. 55 degree.
55 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So what they have told us, this is BD bisects angle ABC. Angle ABC, and this is the angle, and they bisects the angle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If this is 55, then this will also become 55 degree.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because they are this. They are vertically opposite angle.
No.
They are.
Angle bisector.
Yes, sir.
See, this is one angle, right? And
Yes,
this is
sir.
bisector. So when angle is divided in the bisector, there are two equal angles. How many angles are formed? There are two
Two
equal
equal angles.
angles are formed. If one is 55, then the other will also be.
55 degree.
If one is 70 degree, the other will.
70 degree.
If one is X, then other will be.
X.
If one is Joshua, then another will be.
Joshua.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So if this is 55, then this will also become 55.
Yes, sir.
And we know that this side is equal to this side.
Yes, sir.
So it is become an isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir. 55 degree.
So X will be.
55 degree.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Can you do it as a homework?
Yes, sir.
And as soon as the lecture gets over, one thing you have to do is you have to submit me the homework which I have given you previously.
Yes, sir.
As soon as the lecture gets over, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come to question number 13. In the given figure, in each figure given below, ABCD is a square and triangle BEC is a equilateral triangle. Oh. What we have to do now? Come on. In case 1, find what we have to find angle ABE.
Yes, sir.
We have to find this angle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me. See both these two angles we have to find it out.
Yes, sir.
See, there are some few basic properties for square, right?
Yes, sir.
And equilateral triangle also. We will discuss both simultaneously. Now tell me,
Yes.
a square has how many angles?
4.
4 angles. All the angles of a square are of which
90
degree?
90 degree.
90 degree. We know that. We are scholar, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is 90 degree. Any doubt till
Yes.
here?
No, sir.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
Next. Equilateral triangle has which degree angle?
Will it 60 degree?
If you won't have given me the answer now today, I was going to call your mom and I was going to tell her that don't give him food. Okay.
Yes.
So equilateral triangle is
60 degree.
60 degree. So your angle ABE is equal to 90 degree
90
plus
degree.
60 degree, and which is
60.
how much?
150.
Give me a have. Right, 150 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Pakka wala?
Pakka, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Can I lock it down?
Yes, sir. Laughing.
In next question, we have to find angle BAE. The situation is same. Don't get panic. It is very
Easy.
easy. We have to find angle BAE.
Yes.
E. This angle we have to find. Ore baap re. How can we find it out? Tell me.
90 degree. Mm. The same for the same thing. If we follow here, it will go on.
I didn't get you, beta.
The same thing which we did in the first one.
Hmm.
It will be the same in this also.
I will tell you how to do it. There is one square.
Yes.
The previous diagram and this diagram is same. What
Yes,
they
sir.
have what they have done it is now they have fold this part. Okay, they have fold it from this line.
Yes, sir.
They have fold it and make it inside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In doubt till here?
No, sir.
Pakka?
Pakka, sir.
So what we have to find it out is tell me the name, beta. B
Name
A
BACD
C D. Okay, and this is E,
and
right?
E inside. Yes, sir. C E and E is inside.
Yeah, barabar na?
Yes.
Okay. Then we know that angle in the previous question we found out the angle ABE which is equal to
150 degree.
and doubt till here.
No, sir.
That means we found out this angle, right?
Yes, sir.
This angle is how much?
150 degree.
150 degree. And in this question we have to find which angle? Name the angle better.
Angle-
Which angle
Angle
BA
BAE.
means this angle we have to
Yes, sir.
find it out.
Yes, sir.
Pakka na?
Pakka, sir.
No doubt in this.
No, sir.
Give me 1 minute. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come on. Let's do further. 1 minute. Huh? See. Now we know that this is a equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
So this both the angles will be equal to each other.
Yes, sir.
And we know this angle.
Yes, sir.
What is this angle?
So which one, sir? Angle this.
ABE.
A
Angle
and-
ABE.
Yes, sir.
Now what is it? Angle ABE. We find it out now.
Yes, sir.
Now what it is?
180 is equal to 100, sir.
150 na beta.
Yes,
See
sir.
now
100.
here. You
Yes,
can
sir.
see here na.
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Here only we to write it na 150 degree. Angle ABE.
Yes, yes, sir. 150
Angle
degree.
ABE plus this angle, which is angle BAE plus angle AEC. Angle AEC is equal to how much, beta?
60 degree.
180 degree. I will kick you out. Huh? See, when you
So
add all
it
this,
is square.
huh?
It is square, no? Okay,
हाँ,
yes, sir. I understood. I understood.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
isosceles triangle na beta, but
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, you are considering
Yes,
this triangle now.
yes, sir.
Now tell me, this is 150 degree, yes or no?
Yes, sir. 150 degree.
Plus, and which angle we have to find? BAE we want to find, na?
BA.
BAE.
Yes, BAE.
150 degree plus angle BAE
BAE
plus
plus angle AEE
AEC, which is equal
is
to
equal to 180
180
degree.
degree. Pakka?
Pakka, sir.
So we can consider them x and x. It will become 150 degree plus 2x is equal to 180 degree, right?
180 degree. Yes, sir.
Next, 150
And
will go there.
150 minus 180. 150 minus 180.
180
Mm,
minus 150.
yes, sir.
Ah,
The 130.
130.
Yes, sir. 180 minus 150. So 30 degrees, sir.
So 2x is equal to 30 degree. So
30
x
degrees.
is equal to 30 degree divided by 2.
Two.
Now tell me the
That's
answer.
the two, one, no,
X is equal to,
15 degree.
any doubt?
No, sir.
So your angle BA is 15 degree
Degree.
and your angle AB is 150.
150.
Pakka?
Sir, yes, sir.
Any doubt till
Sir,
here?
no, sir. Sir, but BAE and AEC are same 150 degree.
B, which one beta? BAE and AEC are one.
AE 115 degree.
Both will be 15 degree because it is isosceles triangle na.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
लॉक कर दो.
Yes, sir. लॉक कर दो.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is the very simplest question now. Okay. See, in triangle ABC, BA and BC are produced. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Find the angle AB. If AB is equal to BC, what they have given us, we want to find this angle and this angle.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
And they have told us AB is equal to BC.
Yes, sir.
Means this is equal to this.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me first thing, which triangle it became, what type of triangle it is?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. So can you find out these two angles?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the value.
154 minus 180.
180 minus 154.
Yes, sir. 180
You are
minus
telling
50.
wrong. Okay, you are speaking wrong. It should be 180 minus 54. If you say
Yes.
54 minus 180, it will be written as like this, and it is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 180 minus 54. 8, 7, 1, 6, 2, 1, 120, 126.
120.
6.
You are telling me the sum, beta. Again, you are telling me the sum. Tell me the individual
1 minute,
angle.
sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Divide it by 2 and tell me.
Yes, sir. Plus 54. 56. So 60 degree.
I have to beat you now. Once I will come in Bangalore, now I'm going to come at your home now. I will be soon coming in the Bangalore now. Are 126, 126 it is now, beta.
So that is the whole. No, sir.
126 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. It will become 0.
Sir,
6.
I had
3.
taken 120. I
Ah,
had taken 120.
it is 126 now. You only told me now.
Yes, sir, 126. I
How
have
much?
taken 120.
So it will be 63 here and 63 here. Now can you
Yes,
find
sir.
out angle A and angle B?
Yes, sir. 63 is plus 63. 6, 12. 1.
You are doing something wrong.
One.
We want to find this angle, beta, this angle, exterior angle.
Yes, sir.
How we can find it out?
63. 63 minus minus 180 minus 63.
Ah,
180 minus 63. 7, 10. 7, 117.
117, 117. And an out?
No, sir.
Patta wala.
Pakka, sir.
Shall I lock it down?
Yes, sir.
Sure shot.
Sure, sir.
Good. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this exercise is concluded. We'll stop